Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. On ANMC website you can see in the government colleges they have increased some seats. We have been talking about the seat increment in government colleges and private colleges. So the seat matrix has been published for many private colleges in the state like Uttar Pradesh and some other states. Okay, and so gradually it will get published on the official website and it will be coming as part of seat matrix. So you can expect the seat matrix to keep on incrementing until last round. Okay, so you can keep that information with you that you can still expect some more seats and that will keep on creating more opportunities for you. So as part of that, on NMC website you can see there are seats added for MDMS. Okay, so right now it's around 450 to 500 seats you can see, and in the coming time more seats will be added. And in this video I'm going to talk about the seats got added branch wise. So if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel. You can also visit and join the Telegram group in the description. You can purchase some ebooks and you can also avail our paid counseling guidance. And by now you should be very clear about the counseling approach, which branch you want to take, and how much is your budget if you are not able to get DNB or private government colleges. With all those things you should be clear, because once the counseling process will be starting, it will be starting in very fast paced manner, and in one day you can expect multiple state to start the registration, and you might be having opportunity in some of the open states. Okay, so let's have a look at different branches and number of seats got incremented in government colleges across different states. So most number of seats got incremented in the state of Tamil Nadu. In radio branch, there are 13 seats got added. In general medicine, 40 seats. In dermatology, 12 seats. Pediatric, 40 seats. Anesthesia, 49 seats. These all seats is not complete list, but this is just kind of like glimpse. There are like for MDMS, 4,000 plus seats are already added, and they are approved. So they will keep on getting published as we progress with the counseling process, and you can expect the seats to get added in the round 1, and some seats will be added in round 2, and in mop-up round also you can expect up to last round, that is stay vacancy round. Due to some court case, if any seat increment or approval thing is pending, you can expect those to be added in government or private colleges up to last round, and that will definitely give a better cutoff, and it applies to all the courses, whether it's DNB, NB diploma, and government colleges seat, or deemed university seats, or private colleges in the state. In ENT there are 15 seats added, ophthalmology 24, ortho 19, OBG 30, general surgery 39, radiotherapy 6, TB and chest 14, psychiatry medicine 5, pathologist 36, forensic medicine 22, community medicine 20. Biochemistry there are 43 seats, and anatomy 14 seats. So you can look at this data available on the official website of NMC, and you can verify it also. So we will keep on posting you with all such updates whenever we get about a seat increment in particular state or like at all India level. So you can keep it subscribed, and you can also visit contact on the number given for paid counseling guidance, that is 9319128677. So until then, until the counseling process starts for all India quota, we sign off here, and we will meet again with some other important update. So thanks for watching and goodbye.